Hey, hold on. Call me only if it's an abroad opportunity, okay? Yeah, bye.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Morning.
I would like to start off with my next book from today. I need both of your help for it. If you need to reach your success, you must know your plus and minus. The book is titled as Vibrant India.
Fantastic title. It really creates a hype to know about our nation.
So, the help I require from you both is to tell about the plus and minus of our nation and how can we bring our nation to the first place in the world.
Wow, your idea of writing a book of India's vibrancy was really appreciable. But we three alone cannot change our country's place. And it's absolutely waste of time and energy. Hey, do you think anyone will support us or cooperate in doing this? Everybody have their own problems in today's robotic life.
Excuse me, you might have craze on growing abroad, but the place that you currently live is India. The food that you eat every day is from an Indian farmer. Keep that in mind.
I never forget to keep it in my mind. But,
Hey, just stop fighting. I need both of your cooperation, please.
okay, you just note this. Why do people from other countries hesitate to visit India?
Cleanliness?
Our room seems always clean. Is it enough for our country's development? That scheme is Swachh Bharat, not Swachh Kaksha.
Keeping our room clean is also very important for the nation to be clean. Because if your room is messed up, you're going to spread infectious disease to others.
So, keeping our room clean is enough. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
No, cleanliness starts at home, is what I'm trying to tell you. We must stop littering on the roads. If you are not able to find a dustbin nearby, we must wait until we find one.
If not,
It's gonna affect our friends, our sisters, our brothers, and eventually us.
That's fine. The main reason which is not leaving India to develop is alcohol. And our Indian government is not going to ban it as they get more income in alcohol sales than taxes.
It cannot be banned, but it can be reduced in supply. Implement a rule for it. A person, a bottle of liquor a day.
Stop making fun, huh?
I'm not joking. Invent a machine for it and make it compulsory for all the wine shops. It works with the Aadhaar card. First swipe the Aadhaar card. If the payment is through cash, just drop it in. If it's through card, just put it manually. Once the payment's approved, the bottle comes out. And most important, a person can do it only once a day. You want to smoke? Get into your room.
Okay, alcohol machine idea seems good, but it can't be implemented.
why not? It's a good creativity indeed, but there are ways to be misused. Let's assume if you are a teetotaler and you have an Aadhaar card,
Fantastic. It will be sold for a good cause then.
Simple. The OTP system can be implemented.
This process will be available in India only after centuries. May be helpful for our upcoming generations because India contains corruption, bribery, and recommendations. I guess there is a move by a government to originate such advanced technique.
yeah, it's Digital India scheme.
Some people in India don't even understand the process of it. Most of them were sharing memes on Facebook and asking whether the scheme provides foods, etc.
I would honestly say yes. If technology develops, India develops. And if India develops,
Can you please tell exactly what you mean?
if India develops, our economy also develops. Our farmers will become rich. They can make money out of it every 6 months. They'll never think of selling their farmlands. This becomes the backbone of India's development. Digital India scheme is not going to affect us. It's just going to help us in many ways.
In many ways?
Of course, the scheme contains a lot of processes. One of them is the DigiLocker system, which is an e-paper system which can keep your documents online safely. During the recent floods, few of my friends lost their certificates, their property documents, which was their life, their lifetime earnings. It took many weeks for them to get it back. This e-paper system will be very useful in times of calamities like this.
Let's wait and watch if it is working as per plans. Will it be safe being online? Recently, we read in newspapers that many military and government websites getting hacked by terrorists.
It's the duty of Indians like you to create a safe and secure DigiLocker. Spend your brain and time at least once in a lifetime for our nation.
Hey guys, please don't start fighting again, please.
India's development in science and technology nowadays. Why don't you write about this in your book?
Not equal to other countries, right?
No one can become a superstar in a single day, dude.
India was very successful in the recent space explorations. We invested just 1% when compared to other countries.
But it may take many years for us to reach the first place in the world.
He already told you that nobody can become a superstar in a single day.
That's perfect.
Hey guys, you have missed the main issue, which deserves a place in our daily newspaper.
Intolerance, right?
No, e-commerce system.
Does that spoil the growth of India?
Many have started to buy things online. The retail business is getting spoiled. Most online websites are designed and owned by other countries. And they are earning through us, Indians.
Hey, stop this nonsense. I need to buy a laptop. In showroom it's 36,000, but I can get it online for 34,000 itself. Where will I buy then?
Yes, of course. They're using us as their powerful tool. And they're keeping us under their surveillance through their exciting offers. Why don't you guys think that the 2,000 that you save can go to an Indian?
I'm not a priest or a rich person to waste money without thinking.
That's fine. Till this mindset changes, nothing is going to change. You guys start purchasing things from the shops and stop online purchases. Automatically you'll see great price drops in shops too.
I don't think so this would change. Did we see price drops before the introduction of e-commerce?
Nothing is constant. Online shopping will also fall one day. Let's all keep one thing in mind. Be Indian and please buy Indian.
Even kids are addicted to technology and gadgets these days, mainly mobile phones. What would you say for this?
Why do their parents allow them? Most of the teenagers are getting spoiled through the gadgets because they're using their privacy in the wrong ways. So this cannot be changed. Only individuals need to change.
Hey, have a look at what he has done. look மட்டும் கொடுத்துருங்க. Hey, have a look of what he has done. I'm not a priest or a verse.
அதேதான்